travelers, welcome back. This is Lisa with Someday Soon Travel, and we are currently aboard the Viking Ingvi. We are on our third day on board, and we're having a fabulous stay here in Vienna. The ship is actually stationary while we are here for the River Cruise Expo. Come along as we take you on a tour. Here on the second floor, you will find the dining room, which we will have to film later as it's currently closed. And this is where you will find your cruise manager. And here's your reception desk. Let's take the elevator up. The elevator is quite spacious. It only takes a few seconds to reach the third floor, but this is a great option if your legs are tired after a long day of touring or you just need the elevator for ease of access. As we step off the elevator, we will find a beautiful open-air lobby with multiple seating options. Let's head into the lounge. This is where you're going to gather for your evening entertainment, for your pre-dinner cocktails, and it's open throughout the day. We can head outside to the Aquavit Terrace. As we exit the lounge, you will find another coffee, tea, and snack station. This leads us into the guest office space, guest business center, I guess you would say. There are computers available for your use. And on the opposite side, we do have our library. Which then leads us to the cabins. Let's go on a tour of those now. We're currently standing at the entrance to our stateroom, and as we proceed in, we see we have a king-size bed. Next to each side of the bed, there is a small end table with storage down below, as well as outlets, switches for the lamps, and you'll notice a reading light above each side of the bed. This cabin stateroom does have a French balcony. We're currently docked next to another Viking ship. At the end of the bed, you will find the workspace / vanity with a stool, and that's where you're going to find your Viking Daily, which gives you all of the information that you're going to need for a successful cruise. Further down, we do have drawers, as well as a refrigerator, and your TV is overhead. Don't forget, when heading out on a tour, to grab your audio devices. You will need those to have a successful tour. Okay, now looking towards the entrance, we have the closets. On my current right, it will be your left side when entering, and the bathroom is on the opposite side. Let's take a look. We have plenty of closet space. You'll see there's an in-room safe, hair dryer, shoehorn, plenty of storage, laundry bag. On the opposite side, we have hanging space. So you see our coats are already hung up. And now we are at our veranda stateroom. The bathroom is immediately on our right with a walk-in shower, single vanity, storage on the side as well as underneath. And please note that these doors do both fold in, which allows you more room for entering and exiting. This room does have a veranda. You have a refrigerator as well as drawers, mini fridge, and here we have the closet. We have your safe and shelves to the right, and the left is your hanging space. Now it's time to explore the Veranda Suite at 275 square feet. We enter to this lovely living space. Here's a look at your veranda. The queen size bed. Look at your closet space. And your bathroom. It is a single sink. There is storage space to the side as well as underneath, and a walk-in shower. It is beautifully tiled. Here we are at the Amundsen Suite. Let's take a look inside. This is a beautiful, spacious suite here aboard the Viking Ingvi. We have a lovely closet as we first enter the room. You have a in-room refrigerator as well as safe and drawers in the storage. The bedroom is on the left. There's a pocket door. Then you have this beautiful living area. You can easily seat 6 people in here. And you have a nice desk workspace. It looks like it may also convert to a vanity. It does. Flat screen panel TV overhead. Note the special feature. It does have a wraparound balcony. Let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom has storage right as we enter. We have a single sink, as well as additional storage underneath, and a walk-in shower. We have a very gloomy day here in Vienna, but let's take a quick walk around. This is our walking track. See, there's plenty of outdoor seating. You're going to get a little exercise with me. I'm going kind of quick because it is raining. Let's go take a look at the mini golf and the herb garden. Isn't it wonderful knowing that the chefs prepare your meal using herbs grown right here on board the Viking Ingvi? And we have shuffleboard. All right, we are gonna head out of this icky rain. Straight ahead you will find the wheelhouse where the ship is steered. Well, friends and travelers, that brings us to the end of our quick tour of the Viking Ingvi. If I can help you with your travel plans or answer any questions you may have, I would love for you to reach out to me. All of my contact information is in the description for this video. It's been great bringing you along for this tour. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for future travel videos.